Welcome to our food processing unit here. Welcome to our Nature's Corner. We have ham here, very fresh Christopher's, fresh vegetables in season, packed with distilled water, key nutrients that body needs in order to heal, in order to transform the body needs food. So guys, you want to contact us and place your order for Christopher's and make the different new recipes in their salads, in their smoothies, extract the juice and drink them fresh. And before you know, you'll be shining from the inside out, you'll be healing from the inside out. In fact, food is the safest way of healing. Or food is liver friendly, kidney friendly, and all vital organ friendly. So you want to contact this afternoon, this morning here, and place your own order for Christopher's. Better still, contact us and get our smoothies that are made 60% Christopher's and benefit from the rich nutrient-dense content of this particular vegetables. So you must pause here, waiting for your orders, please. Send your orders now. Before you know, you're actually healing yourself. You're beginning to shine from the inside out. God bless you.